nyame de kra sa story a ye boso anopai owura ba bia ye frɛ no Angryy Egyapa Mercer ena wakoka asɛmbi na utie Ofori atansem ya ekoso ya clearly Ghana for including onwane party for Ken de Emeka say NPP for do na akyerɛ sɛ enye omonye hypocrite omonye nyatwom yes ewo Ken asɛm ne ho na ode toto nso a political figures ana say ye politicians ne omo fans omo kroma no ya na tambia no double standards and omo play ba wo hwɛ Ken de a yebetima gina so aka sɛ NPP mpanyimfuo bi ye mu a Ken aten onye bone bia but onwa ne party for kra oye ade na enya omo ye den egina abonten kan na papa na sema wakoka ne sɛ on Ken Ofori atano sɛ accountability ogina Ghana konya so ye adwuma ɛna edu abre bia o sɛ oba na obebu enkonta ewo ade na oye no na Angryy Egyapa Mercer edi atudwa sɛ Ofori sekendi takrale mpotem na headline say show me the law that says that when you serve in public office when you finish you have to account and where your statement to make here a quote and unquote was it show me the law that says when you serve in public office when you finish you have to account. Now Oshemwa or say where is the law that says public officers must account? Angryy Egyapa Mercer, My Joy Online, Ghana Web, and a couple of platforms I report. And I'm a videos. Or churchim, a do baby or cheer with the entire Oforiata, a by betting a cost are prosecuting without him coming. But the key area, a hookah crown pay, many a penny Egyapa Mercer or say a lawyer. Okaya eyemi wanwa kakra eno o say mrabe na kyerese Ghana ha obi be serve or public officer obi e also account for me a dangerous thinking minim say ebia okano in the heat of the moment obetimi afre ama o my correction say this is what I meant but this is the headline I call na story nso ewom na person busa say me tie ne de na me hwe the context I can clearly see say sana politicians be bri adwen yomo ase omo ye yen favor cry dey wo twi nana omo ye yen
mfa me yadoye
na say omo ye ye mmoa ehu pa asem na papa na ka no say emra be na kire say me mabe ye adwuma wo aban and our public office me wie na me kwai was say me be account for ade na me ye no say na your politicians ni bi ana omo nyina adwen a very dangerous for the cause of this country and I say I no pay we have to talk about it or your lawyer ni oni mra bebre chen ye te hai enti ono obusa say where is the law just so ahwehwe mra no nyina mo nye den ohui because was law ni nyina mo call law school mo law school amunim ana mo wie law no na mo hwehwe mra wo wiase nyina mo asua wo Ghana no say eni ba bia say wo beye public service wia you have to account then o man na ye dangerous na me hu ade bi abra me prepare for we no o say accountability is institutional not political we in the Public Service Act of China and Japan so me hu bako their friend or say if you steal public money and nothing happens fear disappears. Japan quote mo Public Service Act if you steal public money and nothing happens fear disappears. Now what just say my me no we ya omo na abedi wi ase kan na sen Angryy Egyapa Mercer honorable say wasua mra no pa na wahwehwe mu anu wo hu saa ba bi a Ghana e kire say obeye mpanyi wo ha e wo aban ana public office na uwie na eni se obi atimi frɛ say brabe account for the oye ya e wo se ye to ye mra kuni ni gu na ye foforo Because the essence of public office is accountability. The essence of public service is accountability. Enti se uhwemwa me ko amaya omatumpo pa na me fa US, na me fa UK, na me fa China, na me fa Japan. Article 15 of the Japan Constitution was a public officials are servants for who? What I say? Or they serve on the community's behalf. The bad narration now was a public officials are servants of the community and not to serve in their private interest. Sam Rana Abi and the sovereignty of Japan, the people. Accountability implied when sovereignty is mentioned. Oko China, oko sing countries in Bebre. Adia accountability no implied. Implied ni se nana boy mede adia maw se nana boy je adia ito me ho na hwa so mamia bibia ni wa matro se nana boy chenchen ni adia na me dia maw no me ba e was a work account to mame but implied because you are taking it on behalf of me. Yempanyimfo ni bebre adwe omo se position na omo akwa tratra na omo ye ya emwa da bi obi amfre mo da nana no kra na me ka cho so obi amfre omo. Young country politicians or more krum ha, including Angryy Egyapa Mercer say, Minia penny, Obian smam. Obian you are what fremo. Some mebwaye, there be. Mona mosemo bebwaye. Enti the forms egu was Obian mepeke for MP. Obian mepeke for Abanya Juma. And now the application call any foul, and now ready and now so obey. No cranny say, Obian sremo. Enti omo ba mu fie be sere mo se momra meye MP no yenka ho constitution no kra kire se yenka ho obi ansere mo enti o say sovereignty resides in the people. Ubie Ghana constitution na say the Japan, China, Singapore de nete na Ghana de kra de article 1 clause 1 ade edi kan power constitution no say sovereignty resides in the people. The sovereignty includes the power, the resources, bibia wo man no mu bia na yesi Ghana for dia ene de ba ko ama wo se kutam enti there is an implied accountability text e wo sade no. There is an implied spirit e wo sa article na original nti entro say you have to account. Yesi sovereignty resides in the people enti natural resources no e nipa ne dia nti wo ba na wo befa asase ne bia galamsea. You have to account to the people. Omo na ye omo dia. And say politicians need to more be omo dia to the extent say at do level we can say mra bia ni we chese me be serve wie na me kwa. E was say frame say me mra me account. Na there na me be back me be boa. There are two distinctions. There medium account we chese me dia dia jaw. And na ba ko so ye say me ankasa na boy wote wo baby. Ena me ameba ho ba ko de me de agya wo ba ko nso me ya de me tare ana wai na wodu wo na wo say oh ma me moa wo ena wo ti bi na wo de tare e say free suro be bofo ma wo nde meka wo je tum se me moa wo e support help. There is a distinction between help and service. Yes, a public service. At the end of the day, public service. Mo ye public servant. Mo am frem ho sa. Servant be no nya accountable. Servant ben we say onya accountable. Servant ben cheme ba ko pe just a Ghana public service. And sadly we unim say show mutrim. E show mutrim say omo boaye because ebi mo sunlight bo mo fie be giska no pa. Enti enwia mo ne entimi nchema mo instead say e be apply to obia no obi obeba e fie mo me ma ne bi enum so ne hia mo do. E say politician na sadwe we na e show mutrim no. Enne ma ye hie nyina ne Genesis no no omai bia ni ho a saa de we hye omutima ombetima ye stray na mwie mu da omai bia ni wiase a adwen we hye omutima mfonyi a wo hwe ye Japan ne China mo omai bia ni ho ombetima ye omukro sei da abra omompanyimfo no beboa na momo mesevo omai bia ni ho no kra na meka che no oman bia ni won betima ye bullet train na etua from Accra to Kumasi e betima di 30 minutes train no oman bia ni won betima ye bi e wa abra e hye omutrim say Oba na obetena o man ni sika so a ye de ope. Japan say if you steal public money and nothing happens, fear disappears. The obetimi kwan bi a obefa so bi aye economy no. Unye sky your man ni dia fa bi koto fie, fa bi koto adan, fa bi ko brochire, fa ko sie baabi. Enam say a service public oba be boa omo. Eye dangerous say obi abeka sa de. Emfonyi na mo hwe o TV so no. Oman bie ni wo betima aye sa de no. E wa bra wo mu trim say omo mpanyimfo no. Ah? Omo mpanyimfo no. Omo ba abebo oman no na mo mbesevo. Hey. Se ohwe China de na. December 9th, 2025. Bosome pepepe ni beboa. Bosome ni December 9th, 2025. Ewo China. Omo achi opanyi asen no ahoma. Your friend Lie Xiaomin, or your former chair of Omo Asset Management. Tesa Ghana ha, Omo share ye Egyapa de so. Ghana infrastructure ne asset ayewo no. Opanyi o hwe so no. Ya sen ahoma akuno. Enam se Ofori akonwa so ye hwehwe ne niemo mu no. Na sika fa ne nsase. Ya sen ahoma akuno. Na yenya sen ahoma akuna de obetena akonwa ne so no. Obetimadi. When if you steal public money and nothing happens, fear disappears. Fear has disappeared from Ghana public servants. Fear has disappeared. Adia huma mekura ne China ni ya omu kuno last 4 years. Omo esen na homa ku papa ye friend no Zen Yoyi or ye director of state food aha nka ye FDA. Obi be register aduane a omo se aduane no enye wholesome. Se nipa di and was certify my nipa no se amanfo nkodi ya sen na homa ku no. That is accountability. Adana ye leaders ni biye omo say ase wo ka accountability asema ene yen ka adwene ngo omo tim say e kwan na ya ye na contractor adibi Minister of Transport adi sika ni bi Interior adibi ama bia do president wo ye chiche sika na sa de ne sa na ho kickback MC agene de ama kwan no ye ya sika wo se de ye na eche no a kwan na ancha etutu no. It is because omadwe omo say ombetimi adi. And you cannot call anybody to account. So then now we are quite 4 billion. Na any 2 years to dear materials na de and until ya kwan to no. Because Minister of Roads no ye kwan no. Untumi nko friend baby obeboa we ye kwan na adwe no. Wa good dear any woto and wagege so de be ye kwan ama. Obeye 4 lanes. Owie no kwan ye single lane. Obi antumi nko friend because uni bi wabeye single lane waboa. A favor, and why are you calling him to account? That is the thinking according to Angryy Mercer. I respect him so much, and I hope say a summer okaye out of anger and okano in the heat of the moment. Now he doesn't mean say public officials in Ghana omunya accountable. Ye ne hwan ye kofri obi aba say why Minister of Finance we woko. The oye biano ye ko friend so me account to den na mra bi wosa emra bebrebe wo hai na say wo de wo mfa mra kra anya adwuma enye Luke chapter 12 verse 48 no say wo ye bema wo dodo no ye expecting more from you. To whom much is given, much is expected. Enye no an ye Latin proverb ya mo amuko to da bia kimotum datum ya ma wo bebre wo say wo ya ma wo ka ya ma wo fie Yama diplomatic passport. Adia o mamufuo no ni nyina o de ama say sovereignty na mo de ama o no yate ama di wakatua so. Wo nyina ye wo privilege ba bia yesi o. De ama wo nyina no wo se wo nya accountable. Se ye leaders no obi opese obeye leader o Ghana say an cleaning adwen from some misconception say because we are poor, because we are powerless, and because most of us are sycophants no. Leader be anya accountable na obebuam. He came to offer a favor. Obiam fremo. No kweda make a chem no. Mo na mu da na jo amuntumi na. Mo ya campaign. Mo kun adwan kun ponche obiam fremo. Nana meboa.
Eno krepa.
Obiam suma mo. You are coming to serve. You find the Public Service Act.
Yo bampa mutuesi kama force be ye. Efa corrupt means bia be ye.
Exactly.
Ye framo.
My be anyone bet many train. Enya national airline ti Ghana Airways egu because they know Ghana Airways CEO no ene one ma omuti abrochi a omatoto fie. Ghana National Railway egu because obi obe serve as public service officer of Ghana Railway no okoko na adwene se obeboa e wanya hwe wadiska okọ de obehwe Ghana food buffer stock okwa China ena me se yakun obi a ye de ahoma so ne konfa ne Zenyo ya or ye public food or na hwe aduane so China they say buffer stock ne FDA ya say na ahoma akuno because o man suma no or ye servant of the state. And at the end, to whom much is given, much is expected. Luke chapter 12, verse 48. And you state, more Quran. Yes, you have a leader. The leader is to serve people. Now Bible crown among kindness, among kind Quran and scriptures. Rabbe wa Ghana, Intimubeya, Intina more Lord over us. I feel I met as a leader be a one say, the moment you're born in this or myself, not all Lord. I say, obi owo man ni mo ye professor wo kire na de mpo no wono woni nyansa kire no owo power kire no dabi se adwen we na we etima yentumi nye 8 lanes from her to Kumasi da yentumi nya kwan to Pagada yentumi nye national airline yentumi nya omaya ahoto beba ma hospital bi a obekọ bia no yesefo world da obi ade ahye ne tim se onya accountable wo public office de Abai Egyapa di obi atumi fa bi no de ko na me na manya. How can a whole former MP onimra na obehwe constitution article 11 obehwe constitution article 34 obehwe constitution obekwa akoshe public service article 289 and 289 yamamu code of conduct yese mo fanya adwuma mo serve people throughout the constitution oba I say even the president Adia was asisu nyina Ghana yedia no. It is held in trust by the president for and on behalf of the people. Who are the people? Enti ube servu wie na obetime adwane akọ ana obetena fie ye frɛ wa wo ma e kire sɛ de ne kire sɛ ma be servu mu ma ba be mu favor memra hey
obai mirror Japan Mercer bia na kenkan ye de ode kwotro ne exam said akodi ni post se bi opelo ya ye na nkenche kura cha chuchikata se na samba ye nche causing financial loss to the state.
Exactly.
Anka kwa me pepra mo issue bai enti nka anya hwe oye lawyer idie wonim sa asem si a ye bon kompo kohwe de asi a nche ye na asi atwam na ye gina so de aka asem ti so oye lawyer na onim se ye wo cases a ye hweso na asemsi na ye gina so dibu aten na wabu nani egusu no bia na ne politics a oye enti na o defend Ken na oye sanso kra na waye ono an ho bone sanse ebra no omo wo power ena Eugene Boache Jakumu gina say yam pam Ken Ofori ata Boache antwi sorry ena omo sorry gina say yam pam Ken enti sa abra no a na omo aba wo so kra no na omo bo ne kwadu adenti na na yesi yam pam no na dia na ma ye de fast track high court ba ye no a na ye say causing financial loss to the state na ye frɛ nipa bi ma omkoko gina court na ye di wo masadu omkoto afiase enchai meaning say sa abra no no Salome no wu Salome enu owu ye enti say na adru finance minister so na sa wo ba be kan asam wa kire Ghana fo amomori achiche na ba bi odi kofa ye die ma politics ye tan nipa bi sa no ma amafo nya opportunity de kasetia amanyofo se they are greedy edru wu nua so de watimi obu wani egumra ene presidents aye wo a ye de kan asam so ebe kan asam fofra kire Ghana fo how enti no mu nyina ya ma ne power asmi ya honorable Egyapa say a friend honorable. Ubisa will say, how honorable are you? Are you? Yes, what can say here? Debbie. Okay, we say Debbie.
And tell you over a Japanese and young one was Olusi. Nature say, on your 2 minutes, we are. Name call for constituents require wo mun kunta bi anche wo
obewe mu favor
oni so on e bua won ti e di entina bu sara de na wo kwa wanye sei nya chese on tumi ko bun kunta anche bia na o mai article 57.5 no o man panimpo yesi wo officer and I ain't to me and find no massa and chichino, say, do Kujina court to be in some man as accountability. Well, free swan come after 3 years, it will take his action.
Oh, so
Yes.
bet him in the knuckle.
Now, you see, a quanso and sleep or
There be
tis one man panini po. It's me a holding accountable.
It's me peachy.
Now, we are MP, and that's what man panini and a power be a minister be. Na young woman and I are pass her sentina, ye, womu emuye. Na ye dear sika free, Nyan Cafe.
aye.
There be a mechanic say,
Aye.
Camp people on chi and this phone, be at 40. Camp this bar, no champion, we are 40. Car party for Soria, or Bacano Cray, Cobedin Huni. Na say, I couldn't have any Embra Mudia. Srat, Editor General, OSP, Iyoko, Nile Chomukas Kakase Pao. Sa institutions, the internet. Sanyam Kutabuntra, your common Sabbath, your fair crowd, why you be penna, your public accounts committee, what would you be say? And you are much nasia, and no one bed or motion.
Don't want to show more.
Because Obiaba is free.
And no crash so partners are some now cano. Yes, out of the abundance of the bed,
The heart.
and I know their politicians, no, a war mutrim no, and a baku abien and wakano. Na ye maneto mutrim pefe say, on say, Obi wo Ghana has a sia or co hospital, and pay tissue ye de betu Nicrusono, a binho.
Oh, Oba.
Me pese me can say bima tissue ye de betu Nicrusono, a binho. Obiako hospital, sa machine ya. AED ye de kan akoma o collapse ye de kan akoma ye de da abonten wa bruchire ye tweska se mfa nkotobi e de da abonten a obi collapse wa abonten wa bruchire a obi onam kwa ho timi fa no de aka wa akoma no wanyane nipa bebre wu anopai ne nro anajo a na akoma kakra bi ne kan no odu hospital ho e wo kire pone no ebi ni ho
opinfo bi ti akonwa me agina wo
emi age na wo Ghana ye twesika se mfa nto empa engu hospitals but opinfo bi at a plastic team ebi ni ho obi anopai pani a ye be wo no ama aboa bi a waka no enkonkofa ne nan no nkoye jepim ni entwa no ebi ni ho aduru a obi pe e wo kase e chechewere hospital aduru a obeto a ye se aban koto bi megu ho no obi ate ho so ye board of drugs a ye be sign ya de akono wo pe kwan obedi scan ntino ebi ni ho obi so ka akobo port home e wo kwan a ye ne 3 years ago and ye see ebedi 15 years ba kwan no atutu enam se sika na nka 5 billion de koye no ye wie na aka 1 billion nti ehun kwan ne aye wa boma wu anopai enti okọ eno so ya anya kwan ne ye school dan ya nkwada betnam asua de no ya ma obi sika anka obetima si school dan across Ghana no wa eradicate school under trees in 1 year oba abesen ko wantumi anye ebi ni ho untumi mfrɛ no na obe accounto ensu e wo se wonom wo fie wusi udaya ne ajo nsuo to yajo kani ato what kotena ofie ensuo ni ho ensuo e be connect e be tuna dam beba ofie asika wo ho no sa sika ne yatwa ma water resource commission Ghana water ene obi ohwe works and housing ne water ebi ni ho sika na asante unya nsuo wo ofie basa obetena makọ adwuma abanya jeje wo to se ye de be provide public transport ye tua wo minister ka so onwe kwan ya obenya the most convenient way to your office and home no sika no bus no ema eba ne obi a obeba be ye board of bus matter no waton buses na di ne ade bi asi abo so owia no akotena fie watoto afie wa brochire ne ne mba ebi ni ho sankrofo ni nyina o madwen ye o mo se omo beboa wo na wanya opportunity baby ote no the ordinance bebo mo obedi no according to Angryy Egyapa Mercer, where is the law? Obiako crash into a crash barrier embankment or kwan ho and am say street light anyhow obi so agiska so obeto street light but office na wote no a public office na odisika na where is the law that he has to account for the money for the street light to provide light for the people no wodi ebi ni ho obi agisika e wo krom ha so okwa akoto books di amankwada na omasua de aben wodi sika no enkwara na enya book na anko school omabon aba bedane akronfo omanum ebi ni ho yentua teacher foka yonko abobo sika no ogu na account toto ewiase brochie japade e de agya ne ye ne ma ni aka se omanya generational wealth from all fund no sa nipa no wa momode anya bibia amfa mo so obenya wo so wa ho fama tumi na ode ama no o say you cannot call him to account because when you kwaya wura baby esika ne da no the open woye sankrofo we nyina over 7,000 8,000 people in public sector office no omadwe ne say when you kwaya wura ho woto abama ne de oye wo favor. Where is the Lord that he has to account for the money? Go do nyamede chair yenya saseke to 247,000 kilometers square. Yenkwa nyamesi wiase nyina obi awasase Russia de so, Sudan de so, Nigeria de so. O maike to Ghana e ho na agudie wo wiase e do so no mede akɔhye. Yetua e your mind fo nyina dia. Nipa mienu miensa na o ma hyehyɛ gold no bia fa sumase ko Dubai. E kosi atwen omomma. On fa meye train, on fa nye kwan, on fa nsi hospital because odisika noa. Where is the Lord that he has to account for your gold? O minerals no, o diamond ne bauxite no, o oil na utu no. Wano na enye opportunity abeye Minister of Energy, when your opportunity abeye GMPC boss, when your opportunity ko buffer stock, when your opportunity ko GES, wako Ghana Education Service and our ministry, wako shahwa. Where is the Lord that he has to account for all the monies that you pay to him to use it on your behalf? Mama nsheye bufu.